Hello everybody! Today we are finally going to see if this PS4 will output a picture. This is the second part from my last video. If you haven't seen it, I invite you to click on the link on the top right corner to check how disgusting this PlayStation was. So, pause this video and go check that out. Done? Okay, let's begin. As I said in the first video, the white LED of death is usually caused by a faulty AC chip or HDMI port, and since the latter look fine, I've started with the chip that is hidden under this shield. Since I was in, I've also decided to test the filters of the chip itself, and the reading was null. What I'm realizing now that I'm editing is that the tips of my multimeter are way too large and were probably not even making contact with the pads. That's why I had the open circuit reading, but since I've already bought them, I've replaced them anyway. And now we can appreciate my excellent video making skills. Here you can see me struggling with the fuse, and here I've done all the work with my camera turned off. It was fast, wasn't it? Next, the chip, and with some hot air and some more good camera work, I've removed it with not too much trouble. After a nice clean, I've tapped the AC in place with a soldering iron, and solder definitely in place with some hot air and a lot of flux. Following the same procedure, I've soldered the nearby filters. After more scrubbing with some IPA and an old toothbrush, we can reassemble it and check if we have a picture. Luckily, we can happily see that the PlayStation boots and it seems to be working fine. Next, I've tested the disk drive, and it loads the game and it is playable. As a last step, I factory resetted the console and reassembled everything, and we can see that we now have a working PS4. I'm really happy of this outcome because it was my first serious board level repair and it was a success. I hope you enjoyed this video too, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe, it really helps me. I'm Leo and I'll see you next time, but in the meantime, remember to keep things alive.